How's it going, everyone? So in this video I wanted to talk about 6 different side jobs that pretty much anyone can implement to make extra money. These are all simple, legit ways to make money, and because I really hate watching YouTube videos that take extra long to get to the point, I'm just going to get straight into these 6 different ways. Now the first one that I wanted to talk about is one for Amazon. You guys all know the company Amazon. It's a very trustworthy company to work for. And essentially what you need to do this is go to this section of the website called Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex just stands for Amazon Flexible because the job is really flexible and you can adjust it according to your own schedule. And you can earn anywhere between $18 to $25 an hour with this side job. So yeah, as it says, you can be your own boss, set your own schedule, blah blah blah. So anyway, the way it works is very simple. And yeah, for this side job, there is one hyphen, and that is that you do need your own driver's license. So essentially what you do is first you tell Amazon when you want to make deliveries. This could be after your lectures, after your sport practice, normal job, just whenever you are free. Then you go and pick up the packages you need to deliver from Amazon. You scan them and load them to your vehicle, and the app shows you exactly where you need to go to deliver your package. It's not hard at all to use. And boom, deliver your packages, check your earnings. It's a very basic way of making some side income. And what I like about it is, most of the time you are driving. Whilst driving, you can listen to podcasts, audiobooks, whatever. So you're kind of getting paid to keep learning and whilst doing a side hustle. It's a pretty good gig. Anyway, let's just move on to the next one. Okay, the next income generator which you can use is you need to go to a website called Fiverr. And there's so many cheeky ways you can make money with Fiverr. So basically what Fiverr is, it's when someone needs some work done online, they go to the site called Fiverr and someone will do that job for them and get paid. It's simple supply and demand. Now, essentially what you can do is come in and choose a niche market, something that is really easy to do, where you can do it quickly and get some nice side income for it. I'll give you an example, okay? One of the most popular jobs people look to get done is voiceovers for whatever project they have going. Then what you need to do is spend $50 or whatever on a mic, maybe $100 if you want to just go a bit higher in quality. Then you download the app Audacity on your laptop and then record your voice in just a couple of minutes. Seriously, voiceovers are very easy. I do them a lot with my YouTube channel and they just take around 10 minutes to do. So you go to the Fiverr app and start doing these voiceover jobs. You do them quickly and get a very cheeky side income. Rightio, so with regards to this next method, all you need to do is to be able to do 2 things. First is to be able to speak English, which I assume you all know how to do since you're listening to this video right now. And second, you need to have the internet, which again, you obviously already have because you're watching this video. And this method is teaching English online. And this is something that I have already done before. Essentially in countries like China, Korea, Japan, English is a language that is in high demand. And parents want to teach their kids to speak English and they're willing to pay a decent amount for this. Now, actually, you do need another thing for this job, which is a college degree for most of these websites. But I assume a lot of you have that anyway, since that's what we're taught. We're taught to go to college and don't worry about that $50,000 in debt, just get that degree. Anyway, so you go to a site like teachable.com, link in the description. We can see that there are a lot of vacancies for jobs like this. The compensations, they're alright, $14 to $22 an hour. It's really flexible, there are no minimum hours that you have to work, and then boom, click sign up. Now, the great thing about this website is you can be teaching anywhere in the world and still be earning this money. You can be in Thailand earning US dollars, teaching 15 hours a week, and then your expenses will be in Thai baht. So that's a great opportunity to work minimal hours and live a good life. So you can earn US dollars, live anywhere in the world, particularly where the currency is cheap, and you can work minimum hours and have a pretty good lifestyle. It's a It's what actually was written in Tim Ferriss's book, The 4-Hour Work Week. You work 4 hours and you live overseas. Your expenses are all in an overseas currency. Moving on to the next one, and what I really like about this one is that it is very easy, depending on a couple of things. And the job is caregiving, or some call it babysitting. Now what you really want to target with this job is kids above the age of 4, where they can look after themselves and you don't have to do all the hard work, putting them to bed, changing the diapers, all of that. You can just tell them what to do. So for those who like spending time around kids, which it can be enjoyable because they're just so high energy and out there compared to a lot of adults, but this is a great way to earn extra money, especially if you enjoy being around kids. You know, a lot of parents are they're just so busy these days. So these types of jobs are in high demand. All you need to do is go to a site like key.com, sign up, and you can get paid a nice side income. The key is to find a job with kids you like and a family that makes it easy. Rightio, the next side income job is actually one that I used to implement when I was at college, and that is tutoring. Essentially, you want to tutor something that you are actually good at. So maybe you did well in a particular paper, or maybe you're just really good at music, or whatever you're passionate at. Yeah, target down on it, because it is actually enjoyable teaching something that you are good at. Then, I don't know if you guys are at high school or you're at college, generally there is a site at your school, at your university, where you can sign up to be a tutor, especially if you have a good grade in a particular subject. So sign up, and again, it's a nice way of earning extra income. And as I say, if you're teaching something that you're good at, that you actually know well, it can be quite a fun thing to do. I've done it before, because you're helping someone out on the other side. And yes, I know, I say teaching can actually be fun when it's something that you're good at. But yeah, this option, I'm going to admit, it might not be for all of you, especially if you're Gary Vee when he was at high school and he was that C-type student. But it is going to help with your communication skills, relationship skills, discipline, and you'll also be learning a lot as you go along the way. Now the next one might be a little harder to implement, but it is totally doable. I actually know someone who does it myself, and if you're into photography, then try this out. Okay, essentially what my friend did was this. He made a Facebook page and then started photographing local events. Whether it be the local marathon or athletics, cycling, or whatever it is, he started taking photographs of it and he put it on the Facebook page. Now, people love seeing their photographs. Just look at how big Instagram has grown. Photographs of themselves, it's in high demand, I'm telling you. Anyway, so now local groups are starting to pay him money to photograph their events. I think he gets like $100 per session now. And you can very easily do the same thing. Just build up a page and then you can go around advertising your service and get nice money for doing something that a lot of people actually enjoy doing, which is photography. And you know, when I was at high school or even in college, I always wanted a part-time job, just to make a nice side income. But I never really put in the effort to go out and actually do something about it. And that was just because I didn't really have the right mindset. I didn't look at the different options, like in this video, and I didn't put in the effort to get a side income job or opportunity. Maybe I was just lazy, I don't know what you'd say. So guys, don't be like what I used to be. Be prepared to put in a little bit of effort. Start making that side income, and then what I personally recommend with that side income, invest it and let compound interest and time work for you. It can make you very wealthy. Anyway, drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel because I make videos like this 3 to 4 times a week. And guys, I will catch you all in the next video.